These two websites contain a list of an enormous number of affiliate programs that are available to join. And there are several affiliate program networks on the internet where you can find a wide range of merchants in different categories. Remember that although these programs are all on the same site, they are independently owned and operated by each merchant. The network just brings the merchants together in one place for the affiliate to find. The affiliate signs up to the network, the merchant signs up to the network, and the network manages both the affiliates and the merchants. Examples of networks are Commission Junction. Commission Junction is one of the leading affiliate program networks with over 2,000 merchant programs to choose from. Max Bounty. Sharizale. If you decide to join one of the networks, always make sure to read their terms and conditions. Comply with their rules and all should be fine. As with other types of affiliate programs, your commission is not paid by the network, but by the individual merchants, advertisers signed up to the network. For example, Max Bounty state this in their terms and conditions. Commissions will only be earned on actions reported by the advertiser, and only after Max Bounty receives full payment from the advertiser. Max Bounty is under no obligation to pay affiliates for actions which are not paid by the advertiser. CPA stands for cost per action, and compared to standard affiliate marketing, when you promote CPA offers, you can actually make money without having to generate a single sale. This is the most appealing part of CPA because it gives even the newest of marketers the opportunity to generate an income. When you send the visitor to the client's page and they complete the required action, you get paid for the visitor having done whatever was required of them, be it simply submitting their email address or telephone number into a form, or filling out a simple short survey online. If you were responsible for sending the visitor, you get rewarded for it. CPA networks operate as a middleman, connecting publishers and advertisers together. They coordinate the placement of offers from these publishers and advertisers with you, the affiliate marketer. The CPA network takes a fee, or percentage of the offered price, and pass the remainder of the fee on to you, the affiliate marketer. Once you have been accepted into their network, you are given a unique affiliate link to promote the offer from. Unless you have a high volume of traffic to your site, or are willing to pay to send traffic to your site, it may take you a long time to get paid by a CPA network. The minimum payout threshold on most CPA networks is generally $50, so if you are receiving 50 cents per email address submitted and only have 5 visitors a week, it could take you a long while to hit that minimum payout threshold. There are other networks that will pay per view of their banner ads etc. Again, you need a high traffic site to earn money from these methods. Pay-per-sale. One of the most common forms of affiliate marketing incentive is called pay-per-sale (PPS). This is where the visitor clicks a link and makes a purchase. Your reward is a percentage commission for that sale. You can make the most money from this type of affiliate marketing program on items that are considered high-ticket items, i.e., sophisticated software like Adobe, Macromedia, Dreamweaver that retails for $899. A 10% commission of this sale is $89. A 25% commission of this sale is $224.75. It is important to pay attention to the amount of the commission percentage being offered. If they were only offering a 2% commission on the same $899 item, you would only earn $17.98. If there is a guarantee period offered with the product sold, you will lose your commission altogether if the purchaser returns the product and requests a refund. Pay-per-lead (PPL). These type of programs are extremely popular. With this type of program, you are paid for every inquiry that comes from your site to the advertiser's site, provided the visitor meets the criteria required by the advertiser. For example, the visitor may have to be within a certain age group or have a certain income level. Because no purchase is involved, the chances are higher that the visitor will be converted from being a website visitor to a prospective customer when they complete the required action of entering their contact information on the lead form on the advertiser's site. Commissions for these kind of programs are not as generous as pay-per-sale affiliate programs. Pay-per-action (PPA). In this type of affiliate marketing program, the advertiser pays you when your referred visitor decides to download a trial version of their software or report. Companies that offer electronic goods and services, such as publishers, computer and software companies, dominate this particular market. Sometimes, campaigns for pay-per-action are often used in combination with pay-per-sale. The try before you buy option entices the visitor to download the product for a set trial period. You are not guaranteed with this method of promotion that the visitor will eventually purchase the product, as having tried it, they might not like it, or they may just be content with using the trial version without upgrading to the pro version. Pay-per-click PPC. This method is commonly used by contextual ad companies, ContrATM being the most widely known one. When a visitor hovers over a word, their advert box pops up with a link to a relevant product. This is one of the easiest affiliate marketing programs to promote, as the content is already there on your website or blog. Commissions for this type of program can be very small, some as little as 2 cents per click. Payouts can take a long time to achieve when using this kind of advertising, affiliate method of promotion. The busier your site, the more chance you have of making money with this kind of affiliate promotion. Most of the methods mentioned above require you to have a fully functioning and already indexed website or blog. It is important that you have your own domain name and hosted site. Whether this is a blog or an HTML site doesn't really matter. You will not be considered a viable affiliate to any network if you do not have your own web presence. Do not be tempted to cut corners and use a free Blogger account or free hosted space. Most of these companies do not allow any kind of affiliate promotion to be run from these kinds of sites. If you are serious about earning money as an affiliate marketer, you really need to invest the few dollars required to have your own domain name and hosting account. It doesn't matter if you source this from the cheapest domain registrar and the cheapest hosting provider, but you must be in control of your own site. Imagine the heartbreak of waking up one morning and finding that your free host has deleted all your hard work. Just simply do not let yourself be at the mercy of others. With the plethora of templates available to work with, hosting your own WordPress blog is the quickest and easiest way to set up a web presence. If you have no idea how to set a blog up, there are lots of people on who will do this for you. Here is a link to a free download on how to set up your blog on your own hosting account. Try and stay away from ready-made templates provided by some affiliate programs. This is where the vendor provides you with your own affiliate page. What you really need is for your site to be unique, not a clone of the original. If possible, stay away from flashing and rotating banners too. The products you choose to promote should complement your site's niche theme. For example, it is no use promoting get rich on the internet type products on the site. Anything to be promoted on that site needs to be related to, yes, you guessed it, keeping or rearing chickens, or any other breed of fowl. We have started to monetize the site with the ClickBank product and an affiliate program that will pay 8% commission per sale on any product bought from the vendor's site. For now, that is all we are going to use. We do not want the site to look like one big advert. We want the site to be built into an authority site, so that when the surfer is looking for information on chickens, they will be directed to the site by the search engines. Building your site into an authority site takes time and a lot of dedicated hard work. Try to discipline yourself to add at least one article, post per day or every other day. Use as many targeted keywords in your articles, posts as you can, but don't be tempted here to use too many. Keep your content fresh and up to date and on topic for your niche. If you have used a product you are promoting, write an in-depth review on it. Say why you like it or don't like it, list its positive and negatives etc. By doing this, you are pre-qualifying for visitor, and when they leave your site for more information, they'll spend their time looking for the buy button, not reading the sales page in great depth. Do's. Do make sure you save your affiliate links to a text file on your computer. Do make sure you save any graphics to your computer and upload to your web hosting space. Do make sure that your images show up on your website. Do make sure that the images are clickable and go to the right site when they are clicked on. Do check that your affiliate link goes to your affiliate account. Use the tracking statistics provided by the program you are using. Do make sure you can accept payments in the currency offered by the vendor network. Do check that any CPA offers you are promoting are still current. Sometimes campaigns are halted or replaced by newer ones. Do join affiliate marketing forums, ask questions, interact and learn from other affiliate marketers. Do make sure that you understand any terms and conditions placed upon you the affiliate by the network you are promoting. Don't mix programs if you are not allowed to. Do keep your website current and up to date with fresh content. Do periodically test your order links to ensure that any vendor's product you are promoting through ClickBank is still using ClickBank as their affiliate program. Do periodically test your links to products you are promoting and are listed on Pay.com, Payspree or RapBank to ensure they are still live and in business. Do work hard to drive traffic to your site. If you have time, write articles on your chosen niche topic and submit these to the popular article directories. Do join in discussion forums related to your niche, site theme, use the signature file to link back to your site. Don'ts. Don't expect to earn a fortune overnight, it just doesn't happen. Anyone who tells you otherwise is lying. Don't break the rules of any agreements you have signed with the networks or other affiliate program managers. Don't spam anyone with unsolicited email messages. Don't forget to place a notice on your site and a warning in your email communications so you comply with the FTC guidelines. Don't keep promoting a product or service if you are not making commissions, sales, or if the vendor has made changes to the program. Don't forget to make use of any marketing materials the program vendor may have provided. Banners, graphics, email messages, or text ads. Remember though to stay away from any duplicate content, rewrite the emails, reword the adverts so they are unique to you and your site. Don't load your site with lots of flashing, rotating, blinking banners that make it look like a firework display. Don't give up. If you are rejected by one network, try another.